Hi Aquarians, this is Dr. Avanii Rajadhyaksha. I'm the founder of Healing Institute Infinite Healing, and let me see what the Aquarians have in store. Rather, what October has in store for the Aquarians. What will Aquarians get a message? Okay. Tarot, give me messages for the Aquarians for the month of October. Lovely. I remember last September cards were really very good for Aquarians. Let me see. Have they done their best? This time also I'll be removing 6 cards, but now I have taken different aspects in consideration. Good. Ooh, international recognition. Aquarians, lovely. So I start with health now. This time, health is really fine. You're really working nice on your health. Just don't be too harsh on yourself. That's all. That's the only tip or the message that I can give you. But yes, you have worked on your health now. I'm really happy and proud of you. So, just work on your emotional health a little. I sometimes when you get into a routine, it is very difficult to accept change. That should not happen with you all. So it's okay if sometimes you break your routine. That's all I would like to tell you all. Sometimes it's okay to break the routine. But health is good. Health is completely fine. Wealth is good. Improving. Alright. But in a slow pace. I don't see any leap or I don't see any big money coming in. But I definitely see that it's improving in a smaller pace, in a slower pace. Alright. I see you working a lot somehow. Even the health card is showing that you're overworked. So don't be too stubborn about your health or your working style or your routine. I think you need to take a break. Things are fine. Things will be fine. Even if they're slow, things will be fine. There are no delays somehow, right? Career is very good. Career, you will get or see expected changes in your life right now, in your career life especially. So if you've expected a promotion, or if you're expecting an increment, or you getting the credit of a certain situation, whatever, you will get it. You will get it, and you will get it how? I mean, it will be a big celebration. It will be a very big thing for you. And even in the long term, it will prove very nice for you. Alright? So that was mainly about your career. See, again, I'm telling you, everything is fine. You becoming insecure and, trying too hard to make money or trying too hard to make your health is, you will see the results, but eventually you will come into the frequency of being stubborn. That's all I do not want for you. Yes. Then we get to relations. Alright. This part, I don't know. For the month of October, almost all zodiac signs is getting the same answer, is getting the same reading. Maybe overall October month is not meant for relations. Check all my other videos also, I'm saying the same, almost same. 1 or 2 zodiac signs can be skipped. Relations are going to give you a nightmare. It could be any relations. So it's okay if you shift your focus to your career more and health more than relations. I don't know what are the planetary positions, and it seems there are 6 planets which are in retrograde. So, but they'll be fine. They'll come fine in October. By October 12th, all the planets will be fair, but then still the shadow period will be there. So I think that's why relationship are costing the most, and it could be seen in all the readings. That's how I'm trying to contemplate. Let me see if you can see this. All right. Correct. So it's okay, just for a month. Okay, just for a month. So instead you're expecting too much from relationships and then getting a bad experience. Don't expect much. Do whatever you can. That's all. Focus more on your health and your career, which you anyway are doing, but don't overwork. Just this month is a month of balance. This is what I would say. Month is a month of balance. Alright, by the way, you might get international clients or international projects or some international journey. Some international clue is there. And it will be good for you. Focus there. Alright. Some international clue has been showing, and grab the opportunity. Any. It could be a client, it could be a student, it could be an opportunity, it could be a project, it could be a project backed by international company. Or some clue to of foreign. Just keep an eye on that and tell me in the comment box later. All right. Yes. So there might be some bad news relating to relations again. Someone's demise or any bad news about someone whom you know, not like a close ones, but someone, those you know. Why I'm telling you this here is it might subconsciously affect you. Sometimes that even if you hear in the news there's this celebrity, this actor, this politician, he passed away. Sometimes subconsciously you start thinking about that. Oh, he was so young, and oh, why did this happen? And it plays. This is what I mean to say. I don't mean to disappoint you that some loved or near or dear ones is gonna go or expire or anything of that sort. But here the card is showing that you might, take that program subconsciously and then keep it looping, and that might affect you mentally, not on the physical health front, but mentally it might affect you. I remember when I heard about, most of the people had the same reaction when I heard about Sushant Singh Rajput's suicide also. I didn't know him personally, but I don't know why it kept playing on my mind. This is the situation that I am talking about. So just keep that in mind. Overall, there is a stone. Okay, it is like this. Yeah, this is a crystal. It's known as malachite. So I think you should be buying that for encashing these foreign clients, delegates, or foreign opportunities, whatever. You could wear it, or you could take a tumble, write a note about how you want to go internationally, and keep that tumble, or and just pray. That's all. So, but buy a malachite. So this thing will get encashed very early. Or if you even want to shift internationally, you want to shift out of India, malachite works amazingly. So that's all for you, Aquarians, and I'll see you in the next video.